This is the all-electric E-Transit Custom from People's Ford, and with a top range of 204 miles WLTP with a charging rate of 10 to 80% in just under 40 minutes, this van is going to cause 0 to no interruptions in your working day. Yes, that is right. UK and Europe's best-selling van has a fully electric version. This van might just be the best option for your business today. Let's check it out. So, as you can imagine, as standard with all of the latest up-to-date Ford vehicles, we have cruise control, lane assist, we have heated driver and passenger seats, we have the 13-inch HUD display here, which comes with Apple and Android CarPlay ready to go. We have front and rear parking sensors and a beautiful reverse camera here. I think when you drive vans with the E-Transit, you expect it to be really clunky and methodical and really difficult to drive, but this just feels super smooth and everything's at my fingertips. Also, it being a full electric option, the van is so responsive. It just feels like a traditional van brought forward to the future. The E-Transit Custom comes in a few different options. We have our standard van with 3 seats, we have our multi-cab which has 5 seats, and we have our cab in van that comes with 6 seats. After this, we have our combi, which is a 9-seat option. That means that any additional loading space that you need, we have you covered. Today, we have the 3-seater standard van in the limited trim. Now, all of these variations make the E-Transit the most customable and adaptable mode to your business and van needs. This model is our short wheelbase option, which has a total space in the back of 5.8 cubic meters and a total payload of 1,025 kilos. However, we do have a longer wheelbase option, which allows for 6.8 cubic meters and way over 1,100 kilograms of gross payload. Towing heavy? Well, both models that I've just spoken about have a maxed brake tow load of 2.3 tons when you add the additional tow bar on the bottom. Also, a final element that Ford have ensured stays practical here is H1 height, which is under 2 meters. Why is this important, you ask? Well, the majority of UK car parks have a 2-meter height limiter, so this ensures the fan can go wherever you need it to. This particular E-Transit today is frozen white with colour-coded bumpers, handles and mirrors, but it can be spec'd to other colours should you need that option. The E-Transit comes with fixed LED headlights and EV-specific LED light bar. We have our EV-specific grille and iconic Ford branding. 16-inch alloy wheels and dual heated exterior mirrors, which come with power fold as standard. On the back, we have fixed LED lights, E-Transit branding and our custom and iconic Ford logos. And as standard on the E-Transit, keyless entry. Ease of entry on the E-Transit combined with keyless entry and the sliding door, which can be powered if necessary, is a real help when carrying lots of tools and equipment around. Rear wide opening doors come as standard, and as we said again, makes moving around the E-Transit super easy. Combine this with our automatic LED runnings and additional LEDs that can be used at any daytime or night, makes getting equipment in here or working around the van extremely easy, making this van a viable option for your business. This van has been an absolute joy to drive today, just for the few hours that I've been in it, and I know you'll enjoy it just as much as I have. The E-Transit has a full service warranty of 3 years or 100,000 miles, whatever comes first, and has service intervals of 2 years. And last but not least, the van also is fit with Cat 1 alarms and immobilizers, giving you peace of mind wherever you leave the car parked with your tools and equipment inside of it. If this van is for you, come down to People's Ford Transit Auto Centre and try it out for today. It might be the perfect fit for your business.